how to create a Trust Wallet account. So the first step is to simply download Trust on your mobile device and then simply open it. Now when you first open Trust Wallet, you're gonna have to create your account. So I already have an account, so I'm gonna go to the settings and then I'm gonna tap on wallets, and you can create as many accounts you like. So simply click on tap on the plus button and then simply tap on create a new wallet, and then the process will be the same as creating a new one. At the beginning, when you install the app, so you're gonna have to create a secret phrase, and then you're gonna have to backup manually. So this is very important, because without this you won't be able to log in into your account, so you're gonna lose all your crypto if you lose this secret phrase. So make sure to save it. So I'm gonna tap on skip for this tutorial, but you're gonna have to simply tap on backup manually and save those codes, and basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, now I have another wallet. So this is how you can create a Trust Wallet account. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.